Hi my dear students, welcome back to your English video. Today I'll be explaining the poem 1 of grade 9 Beehive textbook, The Road Not Taken. The poem Road Not Taken is written by Robert Frost. This poem is about making choices and the choices that shape us. So it is a decision making poem. Okay, so Robert Frost, before getting into the poem, let's know some information about Robert Frost. Who was Robert Frost? Robert Frost was an American poet and the winner of 4 Pulitzer Prizes. The famous works include Fire and Ice, Mending Wall, Birches, Out Out, Nothing Gold Can Stay, and Home Burial. His 1916 poem, The Road Not Taken, is often read at graduation ceremonies across the United States. As a special guest at President John F. Kennedy's inauguration, Frost became the poetic force and the official poet laureate of United States. So this is one of his important poem that you are going to learn. Okay, the title of the poem is The Road Not Taken. Here, The Road Not Taken, the poem just explains a right decision making. The road symbolizes our life, and the poet says that you can see the poet here, he is Robert Frost, and the poet says that the path we don't choose in our life is a road not taken. We have to take a decision at the right time to what profession we have to start, and we will leave another profession and that is the road not taken. Okay, he describes the feelings about the choices he had left in the past, and the path which we have chosen decides our future, our destination. Okay, so the poet is trying to say that he's trying to give an important message that we have to make right choices at right time, and later on we should not regret. Okay, so moving on to the poem. The poem. 2 roads diverged in a yellow wood, and sorry I could not travel both, and be one traveller. Long I stood and looked down as far as I could, to where it bent in the undergrowth. So poet is telling that while walking in the forest, yellow wood means forest, so he could see 2 roads, both are diverged. Diverged means alag alag road dikhai diya. And as a single traveler, he has to take one road, right? You know that a person can travel only by one road at a time. Okay, so he has to decide one road and go through it. So he looked down as far as he could to bend in the undergrowth. Okay, and he just bent himself in the undergrowth and he looked and he understood that both the roads are almost same, and he could not see for a long distance. Up to where he could see, he bent and saw. Okay, so that is about the first stanza. Moving on to the second stanza. Then took the other as just as fair, and having perhaps the better claim, because it was grassy and wanted wear, though as for that the passing there had warned them really about the same. Then the poet is telling that he took the other road. There were 2 roads, he took the other road, and because it was fair, it was good, and having a better claim. Better claim ka matlab hota hai better option. Because it was grassy and wanted wear. That road seemed very grassy, and it is wanted wear means it is an unused road. So the poet decided that he will use that road. Though as for that the passing there had warned them really about the same. But after moving a long distance, he understood that this is not an unused road. This is also an unused road. It is also the same road used by many people. Okay, and both that morning equally lay in leaves no step had trodden black. Oh, I kept the first for another day, yet knowing how ways lead on to way, I doubted if I should ever come back. So the poet is telling that on that morning, he understood that both roads are equal. There is no difference. Both are same. Both are grassy. In leaves, no step had trodden black. एंड दैट मीन्स उस दिन सुबह सब तो इक्वल जैसा ही लग रहा था कि एक रोड बहुत यूज है, दूसरा रोड यूज ही नहीं है, ऐसा कुछ नहीं दिख रहा था. I kept the first for another day. So the poet is telling that he kept the first road for another day. He just kept the first road for another day and he took the second road. Thus he became the poet. That means the first road means it is the common profession, and you know that the poet's profession is little bit different. So he took the second road. That means he took the poet's profession or the writer's profession. Yet knowing how way leads on to way, and I doubted if I should ever come back. And the poet is telling that he knows that if you go through a way, there will be lots of small ways. So he has to go through all those ways, and coming back means it is little doubtful, and he is very much doubtful that he won't come back to the first road. Okay, so the poet is telling that anyhow I took the second road, I kept the first road for another day, but at another day is very doubtful. I shall be telling this with a sigh. Somewhere ages and ages hence, two roads diverged in a wood, and I took the one less travelled by, and that has made all the difference. So in the last stanza, the poet is telling that in the future he will be thinking like that. I was in front of two roads, and I had taken the road which is not travelled by many people, that is less travelled, and that's why I have become a well-known poet, writer and all. And he will be taking a deep breath and saying that he will not be having any regrets that I have taken such a road. Okay, so he has made a right choice at the right time. So he is trying to advise us that we all should make right choice at right time, so that we will not regret later on. Okay, so this poem is recited on graduation day, that we should make a right choice. Graduation day means it is the after completing your degree and all, we have a function of graduation. So on that day in USA, this poem is recited. Okay, so that this poem has got a close touch to life. Okay, so please go through the poem. The poem Road Not Taken, written by Robert Frost. Okay, and this here the road means it is life. Okay, so thank you children. Meet you in your next video. Thank you all.